Learn Tagalog with a song, part 4. First word, kung means if, but sometimes we also use this to mean when. Second word, matanda means old. Kung tayo ay matanda na, when we're old, sana ay di tayo magbago. Sana, we use that word to express hope and wish. Di, short for hindi, tayo, us, magbago, to change. Kailanman, whenever. Nasaan man, wherever. Pangarap, this means dream, goal, or ambition. Kailanman, nasaan may, ito ang pangarap ko. Whenever, wherever, this is my dream. Makuha could mean get or take or sometimes manage. Hagkan, it means to kiss. Yakapin, to hug. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin hanggang sa pagtanda natin. This basically means, would you still kiss and hug me until our old days? Nagtatanong, asking. Ibigin, it means to love. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? I'm just asking if you would still love me. Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Maputi, white. Buhok, hair. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. I'm just asking if you would still love me when the time comes that my hair is already white. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kayang ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Time will come when your hair's white and I don't have mine. We'll laugh about those things. When we dream of the past, it would come right back like the flowers every spring. There you have it, Learn Tagalog with a song, part 4. This is Dara from Tutor of Manila. Follow me for more.